Why is it that a woman, when she marries, she does not want to take her husband's name? Igbo culture, it is not compulsory for a woman to change her surname after marriage. But being they pay her bride price, it is cultural. Once they pay the bride price, then you change your father's name and you change it to your husband's name. So they paid her bride price. Well, as in the Igbo, we call marriage Ijete. And technically, you're not buying what you will still return. But in all sincerity or in all honesty, bride price within the Igbo cultural context has never meant, or our ancestors did not mean that they are selling or purchasing their daughter. Bride price in Mego, it is a symbolic gesture, or it is a symbolic practice that shows that a man is capable of taking care of the wife or the woman and the children she is going to bring into this world for him. So symbolically, it is a status symbol that shows that a man can cater for his family. Back in those days, what a man does, the father-in-law would take the young man that came to ask for the daughter's hand in marriage into his farm so that he will go there and farm while he observes and watch if the young man is strong and capable of farming. And if he feels that the man is inadequate and does not have enough strength to work in that farm, he will never give out his daughter in marriage to the man, because what he sees is that the man cannot farm enough or cannot farm well to cater for his family and for the daughter. So he's going to chase him out of the house and refuse the marriage proposal. But if he feels or if he sees that the young man is capable and has the strength to work in that farm, he's going to willingly give out his daughter. So this is what bride price means. It is a symbolic gesture within the Igbo cultural context.